Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 Vlogs. Matsuya is a chain of which sells jiden, Japanese curry, and taishaku. Matsuya was established in Japan in 1966, founded by Toshio Kawarabuki. One as of 2026, Matsuya has 1,265 restaurants throughout 33 Japanese prefectures. Overseas stores can be found in mainland China, Hong Kong, Taiwan, Vietnam, and Philippines. This is an extensive walking tour experience. Watching this gives you virtual adventure, and with the best of our ability, we offer an imitation that would grant you the lens to this wonderful experience with us.
Tapos dito kukuha ng tea.
Please like, share, and subscribe. Matsuya is a popular spot, especially during lunch hours, so it's best to arrive early to avoid the crowds. Ordering is done through a convenient vending machine near the entrance, which has English options for easy use. The food served is of high quality and offers generous portions, particularly the extra large size. It's recommended to opt for regular servings unless you have a big appetite. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.
Tignan niyo yung mga sauce po.
Know before you go. 1. Visit early around 11 a.m. or earlier to avoid lunchtime crowds. 2. Use the vending machine near the entrance to order and pay. It has an English interface.
Sauce. Chili.
3. For smaller appetites, opt for regular food servings instead of extra large ones. 4. Try gyudon or curry if you're a fan of these dishes.
Tapos meron sila dito. Condiment.
Please do watch our other Fukuoka, Japan playlist.
Boss. Ayan sila.
Matsuya is one of the most popular gyudon beef bowl restaurants in Japan, which offers gyudon dish with a miso soup with very cheap price starting from 280 yen.
Tapos mag-order.
Moreover, many kinds of affordable Japanese dishes can be enjoyed at Matsuya, including curry rice, udon, and taishaku Japanese-style set meal. Most of Matsuya branches are open for 24 hours to fill your appetite anytime you want. Please do watch our other food crawl series. Have you been to Fukuoka, Japan? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs.